Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix a known error in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, in this picture, this is how the error looks like. It says, a known error, sorry, something unexpected went wrong, please try again. If you have this error, just close the application. Firstly, if you have the application open, you can close it from here by dragging the application like this. And then once you do that, just search for settings in your phone. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be right here. The settings might be different depending on which phone you have. In most Android phones, it will look like this. So right now, scroll down and search for applications or apps. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be in this list. In this list, you're going to find all of the installed applications on your phone. So all you need to do, guys, right now is scroll down until you find NBA Live Mobile. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then once you're here in this page, you're going to find all of the settings related to NBA Live Mobile. So there is notifications, permissions, screen time, remove permission if app is unused, set as defaults, mobile data, battery, and storage. The option that you need to click on is storage. Once you click on storage right here in the bottom, you're going to find two options, clear data and also clear cache. So if you want to clear data, you can click on clear data. Well, right now, you need to click on clear cache, and then once you go back, your cache will be cleared. All you need to do, guys, right now is go back and start the application, and then your problem is going to be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.